So is she trying to jump out of a moving car and he's pulling her hair to keep her in? But then the witness sees them outside of the car arguing, and then he pulls her hair outside of the car.
Okay, pause. Did he pull her hair to stop her from jumping or to hurt her? Intent matters big time in court. And the fact that a witness saw this go down, that's a legal landmine waiting to explode.
The witness saw the defendant and the complaining witness inside the vehicle fighting. The witness tried to get the complaining witness out of the motor vehicle, and then the defendant
Picked up a new
pulled her back
case.
by her hair.
Are we supposed to be happy? You're on bond for an assault.
Real problem. You're already out on bond for assault. And now there's another one. This judge isn't just annoyed. She's building a pattern. And judges do not like repeat offenders.
In the situation, it's a very unusual situation.
What time does court start? Mr.
8:30.
What time did you get here?
I didn't have to come today.
Yo tenía que comunicarme con mi abogado después de las 4.
After the 4th, I was supposed to communicate with my lawyer.
I ordered you to come here
Yo le
today
ordené
because you
venir hoy.
have a new case. You are on bond for an assault. You now have picked up a new assault. You are now facing another year and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Defendant and the defendant dating relationship. On 11/27/24, officers were dispatched to an assault in progress in Harris County, Texas. Officer met with other officers who had already detained the defendant. The officer spoke to the complaining witness, who stated the defendant pulled her hair at the house and that she felt pain. She stated that they had been driving down Westheimer and the defendant attempted to take her purse that had a flash drive that had fraudulent scam material on it. Complaining witness said the defendant was trying to scam San Jose Gas Oil, and the information was on the USB drive. Complainant stated that they started to fight, and she scraped her hand on the purse and felt pain. Complaining witness also stated no threats were made, and the suspect did not put his hands on her. Defendant stated they were arguing in the car, and the complaining witness slapped him twice and scratched him. Defendant stated he felt pain. The witness stated she worked security and she saw the traffic was backed up, so she drove up and saw the complaining witness and the defendant in a stopped car in the street. She said she saw the complainant and the defendant fighting. Complaining witness was trying to exit the vehicle, and that's when the defendant pulled her hair. Witness stated the complainant exited and ran across the street and called 911. Officers observed blood on passenger window where complaining witness was sitting. Officers also observed complaining witness to have injuries to both hands.
Your Honor, no, the one thing I just wanted to point out was more on the dates, in that apparently he thought that the new case was set for December 5th. On this document, it refers to December 5th, but down the bottom, it looks like then it was ordered that he appear at the court's next docket on Wednesday, December 4th, because the original case that we had been here for, the first case, his appearance was waived on that case. So he got confused and thought it was waived, and I think
He was ordered him to appear because of the new case that he put up. So regardless whether he comes at 8:30, he comes at 9:30, I don't think I've ever taken someone in for coming in at 11:30, for coming in at 12. But I do have a problem when you pick up a new case.
yes, sir.
Right?
And
To allege it here,
Right there? That's the judge saying, I've seen enough. She's found probable cause, which means this case is officially moving forward. It's no longer about if it happened, but proving how it happened.
that you have assaulted this person, and they have now provided me with enough evidence that I'm going to find probable cause that it occurred. Joe?
Your Honor, the only thing I can say is the client has vigorous defenses. Obviously, that's not the appropriate point to point out. But I don't know, was the complaining witness out on probation at this time, or because she herself was under some legal?
All I know is that
Very
is
serious.
it 2 times that he pulled her hair, or was it just 1 time? It sounded like it was,
just a one-time, Judge.
He was trying to prevent her from, she was gonna go out of the moving vehicle, was what his position was. He was trying to keep her from getting hurt, from going out of the moving vehicle.
I didn't hear anything about that.
Because I believe what happened is she called and reported this afterwards. They left the scene and then she called, phoned it in and reported it afterwards.
So is she trying to jump out of a moving car and he's pulling her hair to keep her in? Well, but then the witness sees them outside of the car arguing and then he pulls her hair outside of the car.
I heard that. I did hear that,
So
Your
the
Honor.
witness saw the defendant and the complaining witness inside the vehicle fighting. The witness tried to get the complaining witness out of the motor vehicle, and then the defendant
Picked up a new
pulled her back
case.
by her hair.
Are we supposed to be happy you're on bond for an assault and you pick up a new assault?
Yo no daría daño nunca a la persona que
Well,
quiero.
now is, I mean,
I would never hurt somebody that I'm with.
Por favor, me refiero que le diga a su señoría, ella es mi novia, ella ahora mismo está en la prisión.
She's, my girlfriend, she's right now in, jail. He has,
Porque ella está enviciada en la droga.
she's has problems, she's,
Yo quiero-
drug addicted to drugs.
Yo quiero que ella lo
Hey,
hospitalice.
I want her to be
Yo soy la-
hospitalized.
yo soy la-
you
The only reason that was relevant, Your Honor, if I could help him out, is that he did tell me beforehand to help